Do you want to talk about it? The fucking bastard!
Dear God, dear God, dear God, give me the wisdom and courage, the strength not to.
Got a drink? Cigarette? $100? What good are you?
Men think I'm very sexy, okay?
Have you seen the movie Carrie?
Good morning, heartache. No, that's not it.
There's a very misunderstood woman in that movie.
Guess who I saw today, my dear? Yeah, that's it.
The mother, very misunderstood.
Heard that song? Well, you should. It's about a no-good, low-life, cheating shit.
She's the most God-fearing woman, a good woman.
I've never been so shocked before. I've headed blindly for the door. They didn't see me passing through. Guess who I saw today? I saw you.
But we can all break at some point. Even me. Even you.
No.